Have you ever been charged ridiculously foreign fees while traveling? Or watch your money disappear in a bad conversion rate? Well, I have been there too, until I found this game changer, the Wise Card. This isn't sponsored, this is only my honest review using the Wise in 3 different countries. In this video, I'll also break down why I think Wise is the best international card, how you can use it, where it works best, and some tips from my own experience. So stick around until the end because I'm gonna give you a bonus tip regarding the Wise app. Hi everyone! For those who don't know me yet, I am Venice and I'm a Filipina living in New Zealand. I know I have already been covering this one in my previous videos, but for those who are new to my channel, let me introduce you to the Wise app. So what is Wise? Wise is formerly known as a TransferWise. Started a money transfer service, but now they offered a multi-currency account with a debit card that you can use globally. You can hold and convert 50 currencies and spend internationally with real exchange rate. Think of it as a travel card or your usual debit card, but smarter and no hidden fees. All charge fees will be presented to you upfront on your Wise app. Using the Wise card is super easy. Here is how I use mine. I load money into the Wise app from my local bank. And then I convert that money into the currency of the country I'm traveling to. And then I use the Wise card like a regular debit card. You can tap it, insert, or use it online. And if I forget to convert in advance, no problem. Wise automatically convert it using the best exchange rate at the moment. O diba? No stress. So where you can use it? So I personally use my Wise card in Australia, New Zealand, and the Philippines. Kasi dun pa lang po ako nagta-travel abroad. And it works seamlessly well in cafes, in fast food chain, and even local markets. So I have a story to tell from our trip back to New Zealand. So what happened was, our flight from Manila was delayed for 2 hours. So yun, na-change lahat ng plano. Because supposed to be, pagdating namin sana sa New Zealand is magdadrive na lang kami from the airport going back to home, which will take us about 2 to 3 hours. Kasi nung pag-estimate namin, maaga pa yung dating sana namin dito sa New Zealand. Kaya nag-decide na lang kami na mag-drive. So since delay yung flight namin from Manila, na-change lahat yung plano namin. So dadating na kami dito sa New Zealand around midnight. And hindi naman kami confident mag-drive nag-midnight dito po sa New Zealand. So we decided to book a hotel near the airport para naman makapag-rest din, makapagpahinga. And then, tomorrow morning na, the next day, na lang kami uuwi dito sa bahay. Now, since kailangan ko mag-book ng hotel, and I don't want to use my card na naka-base dito sa New Zealand because if you're using your international account, ang dami mo pang dapat gawin, like mag-call ka pa sa bank para sabihin na gagamitin mo yung card mo. At saka, yung conversion fee din nila is medyo mataas. Kaya, what I've decided to do is to use my Wise. Luckily, I have my Wise for 3 years now. Confident akong gamitin siya kahit saan man ako magpunta, especially abroad. So, since I have already top up my Wise card with New Zealand dollar, I booked our hotel paying the New Zealand dollar as well from my Wise app. Wala na siyang fee kasi nagbayad ako in the same currency. Ayoko rin naman gamitin yung Philippine balance ko kasi malaki nga yung conversion rate. Mahal talaga siya kung i-convert mo. Kaya kung gusto niyo magbayad online using different currency, it is better to use your Wise po. Para po madali lang yung transaction at wala pong charge fee. So with my personal experience, I also have a tip for you to enjoy your Wise card while traveling abroad. So first, it is easy to manage through the app and no surprise fees. What you see in your transaction sa Wise app nyo is what you actually get. And better conversion rates than my local bank. And super fast notifications after each spend. Usually, nagsisend sila through email or in your own notification sa Wise app nyo. The one downside lang na nakita ko sa using Wise card internationally is that nung ginamit ko siya sa Pilipinas, ang nangyari is kailangan ko mag-withdraw ng cash. Need ko talagang mag-withdraw ng cash. I tried the ATM that supports Visa kasi Visa yung nakalagay sa Wise card ko. So, I didn't try to use other ATMs na hindi nagsusupport ng Visa. Yung ATMs lang na nagsusupport ng Visa, dun lang ako nag-try withdraw ng pera. And since yung Wise card nyo is considered an international card, kasi nag-open ako ng Wise dito sa New Zealand na, it is considered an international card, nag-charge sila sa akin ng medyo malaki in withdrawal fee. From what I remembered, I think I paid 200 pesos while withdrawing my money. But ma-withdraw mo naman, meron lang siyang medyo malaki-laki na charge fee pag ginamit nyo through ATM machine. Kaya if hindi nyo naman kailangan mag-withdraw ng cash kung nagta-travel kayo abroad, bayaran nyo lang yung shopping nyo or bumili na lang kayo ng mga bagay-bagay through your card directly. Like, you will pay it in store or i-insert nyo lang siya kasi wala po siyang charge fee. Especially kung yung currency na gagamitin nyo sa pagbayad nyo is yung currency din ng lugar kung saan kayo nag-travel. So, is Wise worth it? This is only based on my personal experience. If you're a frequent traveler or planning to travel abroad or an OFW, a digital nomad, or someone who works online with international clients, or even just someone who shop online from global stores, the Wise card is 100% worth it. It saves you money and it also gives you control and transparent fees. And here's what surprised me the most. I started using the Wise even when I wasn't traveling. Kasi nung una talaga, ang purpose ko sa pagkuha ng Wise is for remittances purposes only talaga since I moved here in New Zealand. And I found the exchange rate are so good. From then on, ginamit ko na talaga ang Wise. I also use it as an everyday card and paying locally or internationally. If you get through this part of the video, I would personally say thank you for every one of you who is watching my channel. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na I will give you a bonus. So my special bonus is you can get a free Wise card or a fee-free transfer on your eligible transfer if you use my referral link on my description box below. Libre lang po ang pag-register at create ng account sa Wise. So should you get a Wise card? Of course, yes. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please drop your comments below if you use Wise or would like to use Wise in the future. And yung mga experiences nyo po na gusto nyong i-share, please put it in the comment section below. Sa mga experiences nyo po sa Wise, or if you're planning to use Wise, please use my referral link down below for you to have a free card. Thank you all for supporting my channel and see you on my next video.